Hey everybody, it's David, ECBA 403, week 2 in the books. I just had one thing I wanted to chat with you about today, and hopefully it'll be meaningful for you. The discussion forum this past week, I put a video in there. It's about 20 minutes long. I know two or three of you watched it and commented, and I appreciate that. But the assignment this week was about personality models and different types of assessments. And just so you know, on this will probably be the easiest perfect score that you get in this class if you just did what you were supposed to do and got it in on time. But what I wanted to share with you is assessment tools. You're going to see this on my comments if you read them in the margins this week on your paper. Assessment tools. Oh, by the way. This answers that burning question: can professors wear a ball hat to class? And the answer to that is yes. So anyway, the question on these personality assessments, you all have probably had them if you've been out in business at all. There's a DISC assessment. There's Myers-Briggs. The one that I used and have used for many, many years is called Strength Finders. Perhaps you have taken that. Strength Finders kind of ties in with the video that I placed in the discussion board with Marcus Buckingham. Marcus Buckingham was one of the early adopters of this, and he actually helped write some of the books where they define strength as not what you're good at, but what makes you strong. And Strength Finders gives you 34 different possibilities of strengths. And when you take the test, now it's off of, it's called Strength Finders 2.0 by Tom Rath. I think you can get it for about $10 at Amazon, and it gives you a free code where you can go in and take the assessment. And it will give you your strengths. And again, strength as defined as what you're good at, not what, as what makes you strong, not what you're good at. Okay? And so my top 5 strengths were futuristic, strategic, achiever, competitor, and relator. And the interesting thing about that is I agree with all 5 of those, by the way. I mean, if you look at some of the other ones that are in there, those 5 would have come to the top. But I did a little thing when I asked my wife. I said, hey, look through these 35 different criteria and tell me which ones do you think, which are the top 5 for me. And she picked 4 out of the 5. And so it's pretty clear on those, and those honestly don't change over the course of your life. And so, if you're looking at the personality models and the different things that you did this week, again, understand those are directional at best. Even Strength Finders, as good as I think it is not foolproof. But if you get a chance, go back, look at that video in discussion forum 2. Also, I placed a discussion video in this week that talks about motivation because we're going to talk about the 2-factor motivation this week. So just something to take a look at. If you have any questions or want to chat about it, just reach out. Take care.